Hi there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, today on tools for social media marketing, I'm going to talk about customer engagement. Now, customer engagement is very critical, as I had been mentioning pretty much on all my presentations that on social media, unless you're building that engagement, your social media platform is not going to land anywhere at all. So it's very important that you build content and also engage with your customers and also track the engagement. Now, there are two parts to engagement. Of course, there is that engagement with the audience in terms of likes, shares, and all that you do. The other part is actually experience. Now, experience is not something which is which I'm going to talk about today. Although the tools that I'm going to show you, two of those tools are pretty good in experience management, or what is called the CXM, Customer Engagement Experience Management. So let's dive in and then talk about it. Before we do, please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos. Please smash that notification bell so you are informed every time I upload a video. And please share my videos. With that request, let's talk about, let me share my slides. So the first tool that I'm going to talk about is WooBox. Now, WooBox is a platform for social engagement, which is very good for interactive content. You can look at building surveys and polls, giveaways, other competitions, coupons, and you could build that solution for your that particular campaign for your audience to engage with your social media platform or your brand or your website. So WooBox is a great tool to use that. And I know a lot of people who use that, including myself. Although I don't do such campaigns very often, but every time I do, I use WooBox. So for curating hashtag entries to selecting winners at random, WooBox gives you all of that as services, and you pretty much got to do nothing. So if you're running a campaign, running a contest, and you want to do it on WooBox, they will do all of that. You're spinning that wheel on to get a winner. WooBox will provide you with all of that. So it's a great tool for social engagement. And if you are a starter in social media or a brand, you could potentially use WooBox. The second tool is Wing. Wing is a tool which has been which started as a social engagement tool, but it's gone a step further and now offers something that they call as a zero-party data. So what it means is that it allows you to get consent from the customer on the content that they produce or you produce and give it to them, so that you can use that content to engage with that customer and extend that to a larger customer audience base. So be it product finders or campaigns, loyalty programs, surveys, all of that can be integrated and kept up to date so that you can improve that experience and engagement with your brand. So if you are a brand which requires that consent, today with data protection, we could be a big tool for most brands to use, so that it allows you to get that consent from the customers to be able to use them for engaging with your brand or website, product or service, or your social media platforms. So keep a Wing in your mind as well. That's tool number two. Tool number three is Sprinklr. Now, Sprinklr is a very advanced tool. It's a tool which is more cloud and API based. It's more on experience management and customer experience management, and it has been a very successful tool for many top clients. There are about 75 of the world's 100 valuable clients use Sprinklr, including Microsoft, Salesforce, and all of that. So if you're an advanced brand and you're looking to building that kind of engagement and customer experience with your clients and customers, and you're growing your sales through that, then I think Sprinklr is a fantastic tool to use. It's slightly expensive, but then it provides great service. It provides training to both the clients and its partners. You can just walk into any of the Sprinklr offices and possibly get a demo. Sprinklr has an office here in Singapore as well. It's a APAC headquarters here. Its main office is in New York. So it's a great tool to use if you're an advanced brand. The fourth tool I have, which I've spoken to you about in the past in one of the presentations, is Sprout Social. Now, Sprout Social is primarily dedicated to social media, and that's the reason why I kept it in the last. So if you are looking to social media management and engagement for your business, this is the tool that you should use. It makes easy for brands to effectively engage with current and prospective customers, get leads, and convert them. It's got a great usability, customer support, and the ROI and user adoption is really high. So it's a fantastic tool for those who are use social media to extensively to build your brand and to get leads and convert them into a potential sale. So those are the four tools that I wanted to talk about on social engagement for social media and for your brand and for website. So please consider these. I will also link a card above on tools on content creation, so that you could use them and also connect with your customers. So that's it, guys. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. I'll leave behind my LinkedIn URL in the description down below. Please feel free to connect with me. I regularly work with companies and startups on finding solutions to their challenges in business marketing and technology. So if you want to engage me as a consultant, you could do that using a subscription form, subscription to my newsletters. You can just check the third field, check yes on the third field, and I shall reach out to you. So there you go. So subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos. Please smash the notification bell, and please share my videos. And that's it, guys. So take care. Thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow. Take care and have a great week ahead. Bye bye.